Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add nearby friends on Snapchat. So first, you just have to launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now there are two options I'm going to show you today. The first is you have to scroll down here till you see Snap Map, and all you have to do is to enter. Then you can add friends nearby here on Snapchat. The second is you have to go and tap the search icon and then type that specific city or, for example, where you are at this time. So you can also enter a specific or type a specific place. For example, you're looking for a friend or friends nearby this place right here. And then what you're going to do is to scroll down. Then you will see here tons of people posting and they have added or tagged this place. So if you knew someone, then all you have to do is to add them. Now, if you just really want to add someone living nearby this place, just to make friends, then all you have to do is to click that person's profile and then tap add. As easy as that. So in this way, you can add friends nearby here on Snapchat. So there are two methods. Everything is up to you. So you can add more friends here by just entering the name of the place and adding them. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.